So when I phoned ConservatoryLand the first time round and I explained what I wanted, they seemed to understand exactly what I was asking for. Within a few hours they'd sent me through some digital images of what it might look like, and so we were then able to tweak, move things around, add things, take things away. They suggested things without being too pushy, and we were able to tailor the conservatory to meet my requirements but also my price point as well. It's completely changed the way we live inside. I mean, I wish I'd done it longer ago, to be honest, at the beginning of lockdown. Every morning we're in the conservatory straight away, having breakfast. I do the girls' homework in there with them. I work in there. I don't really use my office as much anymore because it feels like I'm outside but I'm inside. So I did do lots of quotes. I didn't know about ConservatoryLand for a long time, so I looked at the companies that would come and build it for us. And then after a while, I found that ConservatoryLand almost provide like a kit and tutorials for us to do it ourselves. I looked into it and it actually turned out to be about half the price of the lowest quote that we got elsewhere. I have recommended ConservatoryLand to friends, and also friends that have already got conservatories that I think look a bit drab and could do with a bit of an update. So yeah, I'd definitely recommend it to any of my friends. And I would also say that you wouldn't need a high level of ability in terms of your DIY. My husband's not in any sort of trade and he managed to do it just fine.